Hello friends, today we are going to learn one more multiplication trick. Multiply any number by 12 to 19 easily. You don't even need to remember the tables 12 to 19. If you know the tables of 2 to 9, that is sufficient. We can do with that. Okay, let's see now. To do this multiplication, we are using a Vedic math rule called add right neighbor rule. Add right neighbor rule. Okay, let's see with an example. Let's take 58 into 12. So 2 8 are how much? 16. So write 16 directly. 2 5 are 10. But here we need to add this right side number 8. The rule itself saying add right neighbor rule. Okay. So we need to add the right side number. 2 5 are 10 plus 8. How much? 18. I am writing 18 here and keep a slash. To add this 5 we need to assume here 0. 2 zeros are 0 plus 5. Add this 5. Okay. Then it becomes 5 only, no? Balance it 6. This 1 will be carry over here. 18 plus 1 is 9, 19. So write 9 here, 1 carry over here. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So the answer is 696. So 58 into 12 is equal to how much? 696. So simple, no? Let's see one more example to get a clear picture. Okay. Let's take 4 digits number. 4879 into 12. Okay. So 2 nines are 18. Write 18 here. 2 sevens are 14 plus this 9. Add this 9. 14 plus 9 how much? 23. I am writing 23 here. Next 2 8 is 16. 16 plus 7. Again 23. Next 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 16. Okay, we need to assume 0 here, no, to add this 4 also. So 2 zeros are 0 plus 4. So write 4 here. Okay. So balance this one 8. 1 will be carried over here. 23 plus 1 will become 24. Write 4. 2 carry over here. 23 plus 2 25. Write 5 here. 2 carry over here. 16 plus 2 18. Write 8 here. 1 carry over here. So 5. So the answer is 58548. Isn't it amazing? I think you got a clear picture now. Let's take another example with 13. Okay. Let's take 4864234 into 13. You can take n number of digits. We can write answer also directly. So 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9 plus 4, 13. 3 2s are 6 plus 3, 9. Next 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14. 3 6 are 18 plus 4, 22. 3 6 are 24. Sorry, 3 8 are 24 plus 6, 30. Next 3 4s are 12 plus 8, 20. Next, assume 0 here. 3 zeros are 0 plus 4. How much? 4. So balance now. 2. 1 will be carry over here. It becomes 14. Write 4 here. Again 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. 0 here. 1 carry over here. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 5 here. Again 1 carry over here. 22 plus 1 is 23. So 3 here, 2 carry over here, 30 plus 2, 32, write 2, 3 carry over here, 20 plus 3, 23, 3 here, 2 carry over here, 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer is 63235042. Let's take one more example with 14. Okay. Let's take This time we will write directly without balancing. Observe carefully. First you take a simple number 267 into 14. Then we will take larger numbers also. Okay. See here 4 7 are 28. So write 8 here, 2 carry over here. Okay. 4 6 are 24 plus add this 7. How much? 24 plus 7? It's 31 plus 2, 33. Write 3 here and 3 carry over here. 4 2 are 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 3 carry over now here. 17. So write 7 here, 1 carry over here. Assume 0 here. 4 0 is 0 plus 2. 2 plus this one carry. 3. So the answer is 3738. You can write answers in single steps. Let's see with one more example. Take some larger number. Take 14375 into 15. See here I am writing directly. 5 5 is 25. So write 5 here, 2 carry over here. 5 7 is 35 plus 5 40 plus 2 42. So write 2 here, 4 carry over here. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 7 22 plus 4 26. Write 6 here, 2 carry over here. 5 4 is 20 plus 3 23 plus 2 25. Write 5 here, 2 carry over here. 5 1 is 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 carry over. No. So 11. 1 write 1 here, 1 carry over here. Assume 0 here. Actually no need to write 0. We can assume directly. But for your understanding purpose I am writing 0 here. So 5 0 is 0 plus 1. 1 only plus 1. This carry number is there, no? So it becomes 2. So the answer is 215625. Let's take one more example. 2 3 4 2 3 5 into 16. 6 5 is 30. 0 here. 3 carry over here. 6 3 is 18 plus 3. So 18 plus 5 23 plus 3 26. 6 here, 2 carry over here. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15 plus 2 17. 1 carry over here. 6 4 is 24 plus 2 26 plus 1 27. 2 carry over here. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 22 plus 2 24. 4 here, 2 carry over here. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15 plus 2 17. 7 here, 1 carry over here. Assume 0 here. 6 0 0 plus 2 2 no plus 1 carry 3. So answer is 3747760. So simple, no? Let's see one more example. I am going to generalize this to 17 18 19 also. With the same trick we can do 12 to 19. Multiply any number with n digits. 12 to 19. Okay. Let's take 17 now. Let's take 97286. 97286 into 17. Okay. 7 6 are 42. Write 2 here, 4 carry over here. 7 8 are 56 plus 6, 62 plus 4, 66. Write 6 here, 6 here. 7 2 is 14 plus 8, 22 plus 6, 28. 8 here, 2 carry over here. 7 7 is 49 plus 2, 51 plus 2. How much? 53. So write 3 here, 5 carry over here. 7 9 is 63 plus 7, 70 plus this carry number 5. So 75. Write 5 here and 7 carry over here. So assume 0 here, 7 0 0 plus 9. So 9 9 plus this carry number 7. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So the answer is 1653862. See, the method is so simple. But we need to practice more and more. Then only we can write answer in one line. Let's take one more example. 6, 9, 7, 2, 3, 5 into 18. 8 5 is 40, write 0 here, 4 carry over here. 8 3 is 24 plus 5 29 plus this carry 4. 33, write 3 here, 3 carry over here. 8 2 is 16 plus 3 19 plus this carry 3. 22, write 2 here, 2 carry over here. 8 7 is 56 plus 2 58 plus this carry 2. 60, write 0 here, 6 carry over here, 8 9 is 72 plus 7, 79 plus carry 6, 85, write 5 here, 8 carry over here, 8 6 is 48 plus 9, 57 plus this 8 carry, no? So how much? 65. Write 5 here, 6 carry over here, assume 0 here, 8 0 0, so this plus 6 plus this carry number. 6 plus 6, it becomes 12. So the answer is 12550230. Pick up the calculators and check whether I am doing correct or not. Let's see with 19 also. Let's take one more example. 39465 into 19. See friends, practice makes perfect. If you practice more, you can do within seconds. We can write answers also. See, I am writing answers directly without telling anything. Practice like that only, okay? See how much time I took? Less than 5 seconds. Amazing, na? So keep learning, keep enjoying. If you like this video, like it, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with one more amazing trick. Till then, bye bye.